let's talk about automatic serial number. Let's say this situation whereby, let me start with serial number, and let's say you have to write a name and then maybe write score. So let me just use that as example. So here I have my name here, and then maybe I score 56, for example. I just want to use this as a practical example. And then these numbers continue. So let me go with my second another name. So I'm going to go with this. So you go in with this, and then you go to the next one, you do the same thing, just continuously like that. And then let's say, let me just assign a random number to this, for example. And then you see here, you need to start making 1 2, or you click on 1 2 and start dragging it down like this. So now let's say you stop here, and then for example, and then you realize, oh, they are just 4. So that means you need to come here and come and clean that. So this is just like a long process of getting that. So to have an automatic serial numbering, so what you just need to do is you have to come to where the serial number is, and then here you make a logical statement which is using if. So you say that if this particular number which you are trying to talk about here, which is a number, anything that you put inside here, that is what you put inside here, for example. So if this particular number, which is b2, is less than or greater than, then you now put this, which is now trying to make a logical test if it is true. So we now go with row, and then the row here, and then you now reference which table are you talking about again. So in my case, I'm talking about the row, which is the row I'm looking for. So I'm looking at this particular row, which is what I'm interested in. So whatever I have changed here, this is where I want it to have an increase. So then I go ahead here and do the same thing, and then I close that up. Now you see here, this automatically now number this for me. So what I need to do in this case is that I can drag here down to whatever. Let's say, see here now, I drag to 100. Now if you look here, you see that there is nothing written here, so it did not continue the numbering. So in that case, what if I say I delete this? So this goes in. What did I do? Anytime I type a name here, it should increase the number. Now you see anything I do in here will increase number. See here, I type here 7, it goes here to increase. So if I go here and type automatically give me the serial number. If I go here and type king, automatically give me the serial number. If I go here and type anything here, automatically, because I reference to this. But look at the code again, because what did I do? I say here that if b2, which is, where is the b2 here, which is this particular row, is greater or equals, which have to be o row to a1, which is this line is where I want it to reference to, so that it should keep on increasing. So you see here, this is a way you can do automatic serial number in Excel. So with this, you don't have to keep on repeating or trying to drag down. With this particular way, anytime you type something here, that automatically, once you press enter, that automatically number it, and if you delete it, that goes away. If you delete it, that goes away, and if you delete all of them, all of the whole serial numbering goes away. So now what happens, it helps you make this fast, so not you numbering anymore. So whatever you put in here, that automatically gives you the serial number. Who, for example, serial number, this serial number, continuous, that symbol. So this is a perfect way you can get the distance. So like I said, this is, if you click here, you should be able to see the question, and if you see the continue way, because when I finish I drag. So anytime I put this, it will automatically give me the serial number.